Hey guys, are you want to buy best washing machine? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best washing machine that's are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Midea Washing Machine, this 240V heat pump dryer combines energy efficiency, convenience, and gentle care for your clothes. Its ventless design allows for easy installation in small spaces or stacked next to a washer, making it ideal for compact apartments or laundry rooms. Using low-temperature drying, it reduces energy consumption by at least 28% compared to standard dryers, while being gentle on fabrics. The smart humidity sensor measures moisture levels and adjusts drying time automatically, ensuring your clothes reach the desired dryness without over-drying. The wrinkle care feature tumbles clothes in unheated air for 90 minutes at the end of the cycle, reducing wrinkles and keeping garments ready to wear. Compact yet capable, this dryer is ENERGY STAR certified, meeting strict efficiency guidelines to save both energy and money. Note that a separate power cord is required, and it requires 240V. Overall, it's a reliable, eco-friendly, and space-saving solution for modern laundry needs. Now our second product is KoolMore Washing Machine. The KoolMore Premium Front Load Washer combines efficiency, versatility, and quiet performance for a seamless laundry experience. Its ultra-quiet inverter motor ensures smooth operation, making it ideal for homes where noise is a concern. With 12 washing cycles, this washer handles everything from towels and jeans to delicates and fitness wear with ease. Multiple wash functions, including steam, water plus, a 20-minute quick wash, and a max spin speed of 1,200 revolutions per minute, allow you to customize each load for optimal results. The innovative My Cycle feature lets you save your favorite wash settings for quick, hassle-free use in the future. Designed with energy efficiency in mind, this high-efficiency washer helps reduce electricity costs while delivering clean, fresh laundry. Front load access adds convenience, and the compact design makes it suitable for smaller spaces. Overall, it's a quiet, versatile, and cost-effective washing solution for modern households. Our third product is Auertech Washing Machine. The Auertech Large Capacity Twin Tub Washer is a versatile, space-saving solution for compact living spaces like dorms, apartments, or RVs. Its dual tub design allows washing and spinning simultaneously, saving time and effort. The washer supports up to 18 pounds of laundry, while the spin tub handles 10 pounds, powered by a robust 1,300 revolutions per minute motor for efficient cleaning. The transparent lid lets you monitor the process, and the machine's low water and energy consumption make it eco-friendly. Equipped with a drain pump and adjustable inlet hose, it offers flexible drainage options, while the simple control panel allows you to set wash time, mode, and spin duration easily. Additional features like the lint filter and overheat protection ensure safe, hassle-free operation, automatically stopping the motor at 275 degrees Fahrenheit and restarting after 20 to 30 minutes. Compact, lightweight, and easy to operate, the Auertech Twin Tub Washer is perfect for small spaces while delivering powerful, reliable cleaning. Now number 4, Kenmore Washing Machine. The high-efficiency front load washer is designed to make laundry faster, easier, and more effective. With Express Wash, small loads are cleaned in just 25 minutes, while the Exila Wash speeds up full-size loads by up to 26, saving valuable time. Tough stains are no match for the Steam Treat option, which uses powerful steam to lift everyday dirt and grime. Offering 12 customizable wash cycles, including kids' wear, whites, delicates, and Express Wash, the machine adapts to all fabric types. 5 temperature settings and an extra rinse option help protect sensitive skin, making it ideal for family use. Intuitive light touch controls simplify operation, and the LED display provides clear information on cycle status and remaining time. Energy-saving features like cold clean use up to 90% less energy while still delivering a thorough wash. ENERGY STAR certification ensures reduced utility costs, making this washer an efficient, versatile, and eco-friendly choice for any household. And our last choice is AnyPro Washing Machine. The AnyPro Portable Washing Machine is a compact, efficient, and versatile solution for small living spaces. Measuring just 19.7 by 19.9 by 33.7 inches, it fits perfectly in apartments, RVs, or dorms. It handles up to 17.8 pounds of laundry, ideal for singles or small families. Equipped with 10 wash programs, it caters to a wide range of fabrics, from delicate garments to heavy linens. Its advanced fuzzy control technology automatically adjusts settings for optimal performance, making laundry effortless and worry-free. Weighing only 43.3 pounds, the washer is lightweight and portable, perfect for temporary residences or frequent relocations. Safety is ensured with a child lock feature, while the durable stainless steel drum offers long-lasting performance. Easy installation and compatibility with standard US outlets make setup simple. Energy-efficient operation helps reduce utility bills without compromising results. Overall, the AnyPro portable washer combines convenience, durability, and smart technology, making it an excellent choice for compact homes or on-the-go living. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video was really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.